Hey, what's happening, guys? So today we're going to be unboxing the Insta360 GO Ultra. So it's the 4K cam. Looks kind of like that. So top of the box, side of the box, you can see I got it from Argos here in the UK. Lightweight and portable. 4K 60 frames per second, which is new versus the Insta360 GO 3S. Low light. I've seen a few reviews on YouTube. Apparently those are quite good. Active HDR video on off, hands free, which I'm quite cool to see. In the box we got the standalone camera, the auction pod, quick release safety cord, the easy clip, so I think you put that on the cap or something or wherever. Your magnetic pendant, so it can go on your chest. Lens guard, USB-C cable, quick start guides, and warranty card. So this is the standard box, if I can say it that way. We got here remote control and fast charge. We got magnetic mount, so the back of the camera's got all magnetic mounty. 33 feet waterproof. But I think there's a little caveat that you need that little cover. At least I could be wrong, but yeah. And then flat state stabilization and 360 horizontal lock. And then I won't show the bottom because the bottom's just got all the sort of important bits. But if I open her up, okay, here we go. So we got the camera, which I'll put there. So go explore, go enjoy, go create, go capture. We've got quick start guard, paper that nobody really ever reads, little stickers, warranty card that nobody ever reads, and then a little card that no one ever looks at. And there you have it. It's kind of in the box. These are quite thick. As I said, I won't show the bottom, but yeah, gives you a bit of an idea. Into 360, and then you have to install the app. Nothing more inside the box. And then here we have the accessories. So let's see what we got first. Oh, that was magnetized. Immediately this came off. So it's quite cool. Think big. Yeah. You can see the magnet here. I think that little cord thing that we spoke about goes there. That pushes up. SD card goes in there, which is quite cool with this one. Put that down. Some sort of noise. There you have it. So let's put that there for now. That was the camera. Then we also have the pendulum or something. So that's like this. Rotate the gravity area 180 degrees counterclockwise to adjust the shooting angle. That's a bit sticky, so I think I'll keep that for now. And then into 360. So, and from what I understand, depending on how you do it, then it'll be either horizontal or vertical video. Then nice. Okay, cool. Then we got a cable. This is pretty standard. Little plastic bit. We have in the box over here. This was the little thing that I was talking about, like a camera, like the head mount, so you can put it on your cap or something. Again, magnetized, sticks there, quite cool. Leave that there. Here's the casing, on off button, and then this screen should flip up. So you got there. So if we take this and pop that in like that. And then if I turn it on, do we have power? No power at startup. Oh, we do. So once that's loading, let's see what else we got. Nothing more in there. I think these are the little lens guards. Not the lens guards. This is that little rope. It's a little quick release. So I saw this. You push it down, it comes out. You can attach it there, and then you have it like that. And then obviously you can put that around the pendulum, or pendulum, I can't say it. Put that around there, and you're good. So yeah, guys, that's the Insta360 GO Ultra. If you have any questions or comments, drop it below, and I'll happily let you know what my experience is like. Otherwise, thanks for watching.